Right now, there is a short-form video niche that is absolutely exploding on TikTok Shorts and YouTube Shorts. These are funny animal food race videos that grab attention instantly, keep people watching, and rack up millions of views. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly show you the kind of videos I am talking about.
Ready, set, go!
Oh. He's so fast. Can't even get one. Oh, it's slippery. I give up. You win.
Now, in a very short time, this TikTok channel has gained over 140,000 followers and more than 3.5 million likes, with several videos reaching tens of millions of views, completely dominating this niche. What makes this even more interesting is that these videos are fully AI generated. The creator is using Sora to produce funny, high-quality animal videos quickly and consistently, saving a huge amount of time. With results like this, channels in this niche can easily monetize through TikTok's creativity programs, affiliate marketing, or even selling pet-related products, especially in regions like the US, UK, and France. And today I am going to guide you step by step on how to create videos like this even if you are a complete beginner. I will also show you a secret method to use Sora 2 for free without an invitation code. Before we get into the practical part, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video, because this niche is still early and you do not want to miss out. To get started, the very first thing we are going to do is create a prompt formula specifically designed for viral food race funny animal videos. Think of this formula as a recipe. Instead of guessing what to type every time, you will have a structured way to write prompts that consistently generate fun, engaging, and viral-ready food race animal videos. To make things easier and save you a lot of time, I have already created an input formula that you can use directly inside ChatGPT. This formula helps you generate creative ideas and high-quality prompts for viral video concepts like food race and funny animal challenges. Do not worry, I will be sharing this formula with you. I will also leave a direct link to the document in the description of this YouTube video, so you can access it anytime and reuse it for your own content. Once we have the complete formula ready, I will then move over to ChatGPT and paste the formula command into it. This allows ChatGPT to automatically generate a full video prompt based on our structure. As you will see, ChatGPT instantly gives us our first food race prompt generator result. And the best part is that you are not limited to just one prompt. Using this same formula, you can generate 5 prompts, 50 prompts, 100 prompts, or even thousands of unique, non-duplicate ideas. I will continue generating more prompts to show you how powerful and flexible this method is. With this approach, you will never run out of fresh food race, funny animal video ideas, and you can consistently produce content that has strong viral potential. The next step is to create a Sora 2 account. The good news is that signing up is completely free. If you are not sure how to do this, you can check the suggested video where I walk you through the entire process step by step. However, there are 2 important things you need to be aware of. First, Sora 2 normally requires an invitation code to gain access, and you must be in the US or connected by VPN. Second, even when you do get access, the videos usually come with a watermark, which can make the final output look messy and less professional. However, you can generate up to 30 videos daily. Now, this is where things get interesting. There is a platform that allows you to generate watermark-free Sora 2 videos for free every day. Not only that, you can also create videos using VEO 3.1, Fast and Grok, all from the same place, without needing separate accounts. All you need to do is sign up for a free account on this platform. Once you are in, you can start generating Sora 2 videos without watermarks right away. And if you eventually run out of your free daily quota, you can simply upgrade to one of their paid plans, which are very affordable compared to most AI video tools out there. This setup gives you flexibility. You can start completely free, test the workflow, and only subscribe if you decide to scale your content production. Next, I will move on to actually creating the videos using Sora 2, based on the prompts we generated earlier. What I will do first is go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the prompts we already created. Then, I will return to the platform we are using, whether that is the Sora 2 website itself or the alternative website I mentioned earlier. Once there, I simply paste the prompt into the input field. After pasting the prompt, the next step is to select our video settings. I will choose the resolution and set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok Shorts, YouTube Shorts, and other vertical video platforms. Once everything is set, I click the Generate button and let Sora 2 do its work. We can already see some initial results coming in. Now, take a moment to look at the final output.
Set, go.
It's so cold.
He's on.
Oh my gosh. You win, buddy. You win.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my. He's win. Oh my god, look at his face.
Excellent. The videos clearly meet all the requirements we set from the beginning. As you can see, Sora 2 understands and follows the prompts extremely well, producing results that feel polished and intentional rather than random. Sora 2 might flag your prompts. When it happens, take it back to ChatGPT to rewrite it to be policy safe. Using the same approach, you can go ahead and generate the remaining videos. I will continue creating more videos using the rest of the prompts to achieve even better and more varied results. Once done, download the video. If you are generating directly on Sora 2 website, check out the suggested video on how to remove Sora 2 watermark for free. With this level of speed and consistency, it is very easy to create more than 10 videos per day. And what makes this even more impressive is how Sora 2 delivers surprisingly realistic and viral-ready animal comedy. The motion feels grounded and natural, which helps the joke land like a real candid clip instead of something that looks obviously AI-generated. Sora 2 also maintains strong visual consistency throughout each video. The animal's shape, fur patterns, and proportions remain stable from start to finish. Nothing drifts mid-shot, and everything feels believable and cohesive, which is crucial for keeping viewers engaged and making the content feel credible. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. At this point, you should have everything you need to start creating your own viral animal comedy videos consistently and at scale. The key takeaway here is speed and consistency. With the right prompts and the tools you have seen in this video, you can easily produce multiple videos every single day, test different ideas, and quickly find what works best for your audience. If you follow this method, you are not just creating content for fun. You are building something that has real potential to grow, attract views, and eventually be monetized through different opportunities on short-form platforms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who is interested in AI video creation or viral content. I will leave all the important links and resources mentioned in this video in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.